might have to add a filter. I've got some bags under my eyes. And I also put my sunscreen on before I put my contacts on, which was a horrible decision. Don't do that. Don't do it. Anyways, I'm just going out to check. Diesel was untied all night last night, and there was a lot of coyotes at the bush. And it's been bugging me all night. I thought he would have jumped out, but he's so good. Caught in the freaking act. Let go of that chicken. What are you doing? Foxy, I know they're nice, but you cannot. Oh my Lord. Hi, Deezy. How's my man? Oh, a little stiff today.